Oh my goodness! We're surrounded by pink cherry blossoms. Surreal! Napakaganda sa Jeju, guys. Alam mo yung landscapes, everywhere may maganda. What is your bestseller here? Are you? You are the bestseller? Ang saya lang mag-K-drama feels sa mga ganitong location. Whoa! This is the first ever public hot spring in Jeju. Talagang hubot-hubad. Dapat wala tayong suot. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Annyeonghaseyo. So for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jeju Island. It will be a gloomy day. Yung weather ay gloomy, but this will not stop us to maximize our time to enjoy Jeju Island. So nandito tayo ngayon sa isang lighthouse, isang geopark, considered geopark sa Jeju. And this was one of the filming spots of the K-drama Welcome to Samdalari. Ang ganda dito guys, very picturesque, and this is very Jeju. So kung kayo ay magko-Korea, you can book your activities and hotels via Klook. You can use my promo code Dave Gino para makatipid kayo 5% off sa hotel and 3% off sa inyong activities. I-comment ko din sa baba yung different links. So tara, namnamin natin ang ganda ng Jeju. Let's go! Alright, so this is Sigyal Beach, boasts a postcard perfect backdrop with a red lighthouse with the wind turbines. Ito, UNESCO Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Oh, Jeju Island UNESCO Global Geopark. Oh, so this is a geopark, guys. Ito, very Jeju lighthouse. Yan yung lighthouse dito. Dodebul refers to a private lighthouse in Jeju Island that safely guides ships at night. Yan. Yung mga ganito, ito yung mga buoy. Tama ba ang pronunciation ng mga henyo? And then there. Uy, may gazebo there. Oh. Love this area. Ang ganda. Gosh. Saya lang maglakad-lakad dito sa may lighthouse. So ito yung mga famous na parang wall ng mga bahay-bahay sa mga K-drama na nasa Jeju. Ang saya lang mag K-drama feels sa mga ganitong location. Apparently it's a geopark, considered geopark ng Jeju. Nandito si Yongpil, tapos Samdal. Dati, kulang na lang tayo ng ka-holding hands. Charing. Ito yung neighborhood. Oops, may aso. Ito yung mga bahay-bahay. Hello. Ganda. Diyan tayo pupunta mamaya. Okay. Hanap muna tayo ng bathroom. Tamang sabi ni Gatch, parang kulang sa public toilet. Ito, pwede natin pumasok dito. Finally, may toilet. Uy! Ang cute, daan tayo. Oo, yung traditional market nila malinis. Diba? Ayan, mga pampasalubong na may mandarin or tangerine flavor. Kasi ang Jeju, it's a land of tangerines. Ganun. Ito yung mga chocolate Hershey's, may mandarin. May mandarin sandwich cookies. 15,000 won. Ano?
Average nila is 2 items for 15,000.
Ito. Itong napapanood ko sa vlog na sumasayo yung mga nagtitinda. Oh, ito ata yun. Pero lobster 9,800 won. So 1,000 won is nasa 43, 42 ganon. Hello. Annyeonghaseyo. What is this?
Dumpling.
Sorry?
Jinjao.
Dumpling. Mandu. Ah, yeah. Ito, B. Cute din yung ano, yung nagtitinda. How much? Olmayo? 10,005. Parang gusto ko na dito. You can choose.
Abalone.
Abalone.
Abalone, octopus, kimchi, black pork.
Kimchi, black pork. Na dumpling. Okay, okay. Cute naman ni Kuya. We'll just look for others. Thank you. There ba? Oh! Nice! Cool! Cool, but it's not. Yeah, may entertainment dito, guys. Sabi ni Kuya dito, delicious daw to. Oh. Parang uso yung apoy dito, guys. Kung nalalamigan kayo kapag spring season, punta lang kayo dito sa Dongmun. Lahat may apoy. Let's try this one. Binili pa lang natin. What is your bestseller here? Are you? You are the bestseller? Okay, okay. Mandu. Kimchi. Guys, ito yung dumplings. Mainit-init pa. My gosh. Let's go. 4,000 won. Okay na. The sweetest oranges that I've ever tasted. So, sa mga gitong lugar, masaya mamili ng pasalubong kasi I feel nandito yung mga mura, tapos nandito talaga yung talagang product ng Jeju. Ito pa, oh. 1 plus 1, 15,000 won. Ito pa. Ito yung mga gusto ko. So, ito yung tinatawag na Stone Grandpa. So, siya po ay protector. Yung tawag na protector. I mean, considered as a god na nagpro-protect.
Natuwa siya, yung Ajuma.
Tapos, binigyan ka. Hala, ang bait naman ng mga Ajuma ng Jeju. Ayan.
Kasi ako mag-Korean.
Oo.
Kasi hindi ako naiintindihan.
Oh, guys.
So, natuwa siya sa akin.
Lesson learned. They really appreciate if you try to speak Korean. No? Oo. Basigats. Yes. 10,000 won. 10 already. Chocolate mandarin. This one also? 10,000. Oh. 10,000. Kamsamnida. So, oh my gosh. We have tangerine crunch. And the Jeju Harubang mandarin chocolate. Nakakatuwa ng pasalubong dito kasi very Jeju, very local. Di tulad sa Seoul na, okay. Yung mga product doon parang makikita mo na din sa ibang bansa. Diba? Sa Pilipinas, yung mga choco pie, ganun. Pero, yung mga ramyun. Pero dito, it's really Jeju. May ano sila, may delicacy na, you know, yung mga tangerine flavor, etc. Falling apart and there's no way to break down the darkest night. Guys, oh my goodness, we're surrounded by pink cherry blossoms. Surreal. Sabi ko kanina ayoko na mag-video dahil gusto ko lang siyang namnamin, pero kailangan yung makita. Ay, galing na tayo dito kahapon.
Oo, ito yung ginamnam mo na kahapon.
Ginamnam ko kahapon. Kaya pala familiar na. Okay, tama na. Nabidyan ko na din kahapon ng very light. Stop na tayo. Almost is never enough. Alright. We've arrived in our destination. Ang tali naman ng Mercedes-Benz na artista van. And I think may mga nag-field trip. So itong pinupuntahan natin, guys, I think this is really a tourist spot, no?
Yes. This is the tree farm. Also, look is parang the tea tree area farm ng Jeju. So even if hindi siya sa Innisfree exactly, like even on the way here, diba? Ang dami nating nakita na tea tree fields. So I think pwede mong bisitahin. Like this one, nakapark lang tayo, pero this area agad is a tea tree,
Okay.
farm.
T-Beach, hindi ko to nilagay talaga sa goal kong itinerary kasi may napanood akong vlog na hindi daw super worth it magpunta dito, but gusto ni Gatch and I want to be surprised if maganda talaga. Kasi yung iba, di ba may ganang experiences na sa kanya, yung experience, a bit sa iba, yung experience hindi ganun kaganda. But for me, wow. Lalo na ako kasi mababaw yung kaligayahan ko. Tingnan nyo, naka-shaped na ang tawag dyan, teacup. Ganda. Napakaganda sa Jeju, guys. Alam mo yung landscapes, yung natural beauty of Jeju, talagang nananamnam ko in this trip. Everywhere may maganda. Look at the cherry blossoms here, guys. Wow. And then, nahulog na yung mga petals. Tea Museum, Keystone Tea Terrace. So what did you buy? So this for your dad?
This one
for your dad. Yeah. Matsi pa kayo. Nag-green ka to because of Osolok.
Yeah.
Okay.
Green,
yellow green.
Tea.
That's nice. Ito yung mga pwede nyong i-order here as a fan of matcha. Gusto ko to. This is a matcha heaven. Achieve natin to, guys, kasi this is an award-winning green tea. Anong order mo?
This is the matcha ice cream and then yung peanut something.
For the first time, experience natin yung public transportation. Public transportation lang naman dito ay bus. Galing tayong Osolok tea farm, tapos Osolok Cafe. Nag-order tayo ng green tea latte, hot green tea latte. Kaya nandito tayo sa Osolok station ng bus. Matagal yung bus. Sabi 6:07 pero wala pa siya. So how many days will you be in Korea, guys?
10 days.
10 days. 10 days.
This is our 4th day.
4th day. Only in Jeju?
No. We will go back to Seoul.
Okay.
And Busan.
Busan. Pag nasa front, guys, eat bag. Sit down. Ayan. Ang saya mag-adventure, guys. Ang babait ng mga taga Jeju. Naramdaman ko sa driver. And sa mga na-meet natin dito, in general. Thank you. Okay, survived. Ngayon pupunta tayo sa isang hot spring, alright? Yung Sanbangsan Mountain Carbonate Hot Spring. Okay, so we should remove our shoes here. Okay, so ito yung atin, 187. This is the first ever public hot spring in Jeju. So this is the Sanbangsan Carbonate Hot Spring na very healthy daw sa skin, sa health. So this is a Jimjilbang, bali public bathhouse. So you know, this is very interesting kasi ito yung culture sa Korea na napapanood natin sa K-drama na bonding with friends and family. And then kailangan natin talagang hubot-hubad kapag papasok tayo. Dapat sa loob ng indoor kasi may indoor sauna, indoor bathhouse, hot spring. Dapat wala tayong suot. So ayun, pang third ko na to. So I think medyo adjusted na ako itong itsura ngayon dito. Medyo adjusted na ako. So lakasan ng loob and wala namang may paki sa inyo. Okay. It's their culture and it's nice to experience this when you visit Jeju. Alright guys, thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin today. So that's a day in Jeju from morning to evening. It's already 9:44 at naghihintay na lang tayo ng bus pauwi sa ating hotel na mabubuk nyo via Klook kung mag-Jeju kayo. I-comment down ko sa baba at gamitin yung promo code ko, Dave Gino. So ayan, insert pa natin yun. So, yung weather today, maulan. Alright, umaambon-ambon, umuulan. But definitely, we learned how to embrace the weather kasi wala tayong magagawa. At the same time, mas na-appreciate ko siya. Tinuring ko yung trip na ito this day as a cozy, cold day here in Jeju. So, kung kayo ay gagala, so alam nyo na, pumunta kayo ay gagala sa Jeju ng maulan, pumunta kayo sa mga indoor na location. Ako, since maulan, I finished my day here in the first ever public hot spring in Jeju. So ngayon, arriving soon na yung bus natin. So thank you so much guys for watching. Mag-isa lang tayo ngayon. Ito yung Jeju at night. This is Dave, the Kuripot traveler. Let's live our best life. Bye-bye! Epilogue, alas 10, may bus, pero ang tagal dumating.